Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and Soulistic Root has made the perfect little gift box to send to someone who you know needs to have a relaxing evening.
The minute you receive this box, you are in for a treat. It is so beautifully packaged. You can be confident that whoever you're going to send it to will feel your love for them the minute that it arrives. But when they open it, this is going to blow them away. The smells and the feeling of calm that comes over you. The bath salt is just incredible. This really unique oatmeal lavender bath soak and one of the most amazing smelling essential oil blends I have ever smelled. It is this beautiful signature packaging that makes it easy to take with you. Just an incredibly curated little gift box.
So send this gift box to someone in your life who you know needs a little bit of calm. They are absolutely going to love it, and that's my point of view.